This is Premier MMA Championship live on Flow Combat, and this is an amateur fight scheduled for three-minute rounds. Introducing first in the red corner, he stands 5'6", weighing 135 pounds. Fighting out of Dayton, Ohio, he represents Vision Dayton, Corey Andres. And in the blue corner, he stands 5'9", weighing 135 pounds. Fighting out of South Lebanon, Ohio, he represents JG MMA with a record of 1 win, no losses, Christopher Cook.
Out of Dayton, Ohio. He is 28 years old, and we have a young man, 18 years old, fighting out of South Lebanon, Ohio, representing George Drizel MMA. He's been training 2 years. He's a BJJ blue belt, and his first fight was November 18th of 2017, and it was very exciting, almost as exciting as this one. We have action-packed. Both guys are going to be very versed in grappling, and very strong teams out of Dayton, out of Vision. And we got a guillotine. Is standing. I don't know. I can't tell how deep it is. He didn't. I didn't see a tap. He's upset. He's upset. I didn't see a tap. Maybe we can go back and see. Ref stopped it. So apparently we'll get that pulled up, see what happened. Our replay looks like it was in pretty tight, but let me see. Referee stoppage. We have Kris Cook. Looks like he's going to be going to 2-0 out of Team George Drizel MMA. We're going to take it to Rick Toms for the official decision.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute into the first round, the referee Chris Kinman stops this fight due to the standing guillotine. Your winner and remaining undefeated, Christopher Cook.
So Kris Cook went to 2-0, training out of Team George Drizel out of Ohio. And I tell you what, that's got a strong team. The young man has a strong work ethic. And from what I understand, he is still in high school. So I bet he is going to have a good time on Monday.